Interested in throwing a party but scared of getting a noise complaint? Register your party through Party Smart registration. Over 730 parties have been registered since last year, and you might be wondering how it works. Well, if you get a noise complaint called in on your party, Party Smart registration gives students hosting a party off campus a chance to get a phone call warning and 20 minutes to break up a party before the police show up. This helps students host safer parties and reduces police calls and fines. It's really the best of both worlds. So now you might be wondering, well, how do I register? You must be a current UMass Amherst student aged 18 or older living in Amherst or Hadley in order to register. Simply fill out the Party Smart registration form at the off-campus student center. Once you have your party though, be sure to have your cell phone on at all times so you don't miss the phone call. And remember, Party Smart registration only applies to noise complaints. If your neighbor calls the police in regards to parking or safety reasons, the police will still arrive. If you're going to party, we want you to party smart.